In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find or reset your ExpressVPN password. ExpressVPN is built with security in mind, so the app does not display your password in plain text anywhere inside the interface. Like that means if you're trying to reveal your current password directly from the app, you won't find an option for that. The good news is that there are still a few safe and simple ways to recover access to your account, depending on how you originally signed in and whether your credentials were saved on your device. Let's start by checking your built-in password tools. If you allowed your browser or device to save your login when you first created your account, your password may already be stored securely there. On browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Opera, open the browser, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and go to Settings. From there, open the password section, such as autofill and passwords or passwords, depending on the browser. Search for ExpressVPN, open the saved credential, and verify your identity using your device PIN, password, or fingerprint. Once authenticated, you can reveal the saved password. If you use Safari, a Mac, iPhone, or iPad, open System Settings or the Settings app and go to Passwords. Unlock the password vault with Touch ID, Face ID, or your device passcode. Then search for ExpressVPN and open the matching entry to view the saved username and password. If you don't want to deal with passwords at all, you can sign in using a secure email link instead. In your browser, go to the official ExpressVPN sign-in page. Look for the option that says Sign in with a sign-in link and select it. Enter the email address associated with your account, then send the link. Next, open your inbox, find the most recent email from ExpressVPN, and click the Sign In button inside. That link will authenticate you and open your account dashboard without requiring you to type a password. If you've completely forgotten your password and need to create a new one, go back to the ExpressVPN Sign In page and click the Forgot Password link below the password field. Enter your account email address and submit the request. Then open the password reset email you receive and click the reset link. On the secure reset page, enter a strong new password in both fields and save it. Once you're done, open the ExpressVPN app on your desktop or mobile device and test your login. If needed, sign out first, then sign back in using your verified email and your new password. You can also use your activation code from your account dashboard on new devices if you want to avoid typing your password manually.